Hello everyone, this is Angela from Scrapbook Techniques and I'm so glad you joined me today. I wanted to do a quick flip through of my February 2021 memory journal. The memory journal is a class we currently have going on at Scrapbook Techniques. My memory journal is in the format of a 6x8 journal. And so what I'm going to do is just kind of walk you through some of the pages, show you a few techniques that we use in it, and hopefully you will be interested and will want to join our class. So I have mine currently in a 6x8 close to my heart binder. This is the julep color from last year. It's beautiful. I love it. It goes with my craft room. When I open it up, you can see it's a 3-ring binder, which is great. It's really easy to punch. No need to worry about 2-holes or 6-hole punches. This is the same as any type of little mini or junior binder that you might have as well. So it's a great size. So this is my cover for February 2021. This was a lot of fun to do, but really messy. This is all glitter and confetti that was part of the Perfect Match kit in February. It was fabulous and it was so much fun. A little tag, some little staples, and this big acrylic. The acrylic is actually from Ali Edwards, but everything else is close to my heart. So it's been a lot of fun. Here is my overall calendar for February. Now this is actually from Coco Daisy's February kit, and it was fun to just kind of mix and match a little bit of different things in here. Okay, then we get to my cover page here, and this is just a little 4x6 card with some washi tape right on a 6x8, and it just says, "Do you know how you are loved?" and just a picture of my daughter as she's sleeping. Then I get into the actual each day of the memory journal. So my daughter insisted that Groundhog Day was Warthog Day. So of course I had to document that, and first thing in the morning she wakes up and says, you know, "Happy Warthog Day." So that was on Groundhog Day on the 2nd. On the 1st, this little piece of paper here is actually a piece of paper that she watercolored for me. So I just decided to take a picture of her while she was doing it, and then I used that as my mat. So it's kind of fun to be able to save some of our kiddos' artwork in here at times. On to the 3rd and 4th, we lost a tooth. This page is a lot of fun. This is actually a shaker page where I've got a little shaker heart kind of down here with all sorts of little confetti and all sorts of stuff kind of in there in the middle. That was a lot of fun to make. And then over here, just kind of simple, just kind of a picture of a sunset, a little bit of chipboard, a little bit of dimensional adhesive to kind of make this heart kind of pop up and give this page a little bit of dimension to match this one. Okay, these pages here were a lot of fun. Basically just coming through with some washi tapes. There's 3 different types of washi tapes on here. Just a little strip of colored paper, a couple of stamps that I colored in and stamped on these little mason jars, and then I cut those out on my brother's Scan and Cut. So just kind of really quick, simple, easy pages there. On to the 7th and 8th, Super Bowl Sunday, of course. I changed the journaling up a little bit on these. I wanted kind of a long and narrow journaling strip instead of the more squared strips. So again, kind of fun. Added in just a few stamps here and there, a few stickers, a few pieces of paper, and super easy. Okay. This is actually a slimline card stamp that I decided to put in here in the middle, and I thought it was just super cute. It kind of tied these 2 pages together on the 9th and 10th. And again, these are pretty simple, just some patterned papers, my photos that I've cut down a little bit, some cute little tags, and that's about it. The 11th and 12th, just kind of looking at my daughter's 7th birthday was on the 11th, and a picture I took of her in her tiara first thing in the morning. Over here, just kind of talking a little bit about the website and kind of my scrapbooking business and all of that, and the fact that I had my highest ever day at 751, which was pretty neat. On the 13th and 14th, Valentine's Day weekend, Bree again is still getting gifts in the mail, this from her aunt. So just really simple pages. I really liked the pink and black combination here. And then on this one, I actually put 2 photos, and I don't do that very often. But again, I wanted to take pictures of both mine and my daughter's flowers that were from Dad. On to the 15th and 16th. Again, I still really liked the pink and black. And so this photo of her, she was in the garage in front of my husband's bright red tool cabinets, and she had on like pink and turquoise, and it was just kind of crazy, but it was such a cute picture. I decided to turn this into a black and white, and I thought it just went really great on this particular page. Again, a few stamps along the top, a big sticker that kind of spans both pages to bring them together. And then this is just getting ready for our Craft with Heart class. Just kind of shows what my desk looks like as I'm getting ready for a class. Lots of fun. And now I'm actually flipping into a different kit. So all of this back here was all part of the Perfect Match kit, the first roughly half of February. Now I'm flipping into the In This Together kit. And this kit actually is really COVID related, but it's also a lot of fun for just like staying at home type things. Like here, I had to have an emergency root canal that none of us expected to have done. Here, this is my husband and him setting up his telescope in the backyard that he's been working on for months. And these pages were actually super easy. All I did was take a 4x6 card and 2 3x4 cards and add a few embellishments to it. Super easy, super fun to make. Okay, these next pages, a little bit more of a traditional scrapbook layout on these. So we've got, you know, a cardstock background, we've got some patterned paper, we've got matting of the photos, borders, some sticker titles in here. We're all in this together. So just kind of a little bit more traditional kind of scrapbooking look to this page. This page was a lot of fun, and it's a lot of yellow, I will warn you. So these are actually 4x6 Project Life cards from Becky Higgins, and they were white. And I just didn't like this great big blob of white. So all I did was I took my inks, I blended them over this, and so now I have these great yellow matching. And again, because we have coordinating inks and coordinating papers, everything matches just perfectly. So now I have this really bright, gorgeous kind of teal and yellow pages on these. Okay. These pages were fun. These I dug in my stash a lot. And everybody remember these little paper borders? I have tons of these, and I've just recently moved these to where they're sitting right by my crafting area. So therefore, I'm using them. So it was a lot of fun just to kind of go in, dig into my stash, find, you know, some old, really old, I don't know how long those were out, but it was a long time ago because I think I got them at Archivers, so that will definitely date it. But again, just some fun little borders, another 4x6 journaling card, and one piece of 6x8 paper. Super easy to do. Okay, these are also more 4x6 journaling cards. You can see them here, and these I've decided to place them. I've decided to place them vertically instead of horizontally like I did over here. So again, just a little different. This is a little more traditional scrapbooking page with, you know, different types of pattern papers, some borders, some stickers on there. So just kind of some fun pages there. And these last two pages are probably my favorite. So my daughter is a prolific artist. She's 7 years old and she draws and creates everything. So I gave her a little 4x6 blank piece of paper and told her to draw me a picture on it, of which she did. I've attached that with washi along one side here. And when I open it, you can see this is where I've put all of my journaling at. So it's kind of created this nice little interactive page. And again, because I'm using this more like a journal, there's no page protectors, I can easily open this up and see what's going on. Well, I decided I wanted to do the same thing over here, but I didn't have an artwork. So what I wanted to do was document her 6th tooth that she had just lost. And I knew that I wanted to document quite a bit about that and kind of how she does with that. So when we open it up, you'll see I have a whole thing of journaling here. I also added another 3x4 card right here to kind of finish out my journaling. So again, just a nice interactive little card. This also works really good if you're using your journal in a little bit more personal nature and maybe you don't want all of your journaling out there for everybody to just see as you flip through. So there's a lot of different ways to do this, and these are some of the techniques that we'll talk about in our memory journal class. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. There will be more coming. Our first memory journal class is on Thursday, March 4th at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. Go to scrapbooktechniques.com and click on our class registration button. We hope to see you there.